Okay, so I bought all this lumber here, 2x4s. I'm ready to go. This was $20. First thing I did was break my square level square here. I just broke that, man. I was disappointed. I'm like, I just started this project. The first thing I do is break that. But anyways, let's go. I moved on and I want to get this thing done. Okay, guys, so this is, just 2x4s, and I'm just going to cut them to size first. And this was a total of $20 worth of lumber at my local store. So I was pretty excited that I could make something with that amount of money. That's pretty cool. So I'm just going to be at the miter saw this whole time, just cutting everything to size, basically. Okay, so I got everything cut to size here. This is it. That's all the wood you need for this project, basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting everything to... I'm going to be cutting these in half. So they're basically a 2x2, which is actually 1.5 by 1.5 inch. So I'm going to get more wood out of this. And this randomly happens. So watch this. Boom! The wind was so ferocious, it knocked down my other project that I had over there. Just knocked it down. Didn't expect this. Again, first I break my speed square thing, level square, and now this happened. So I'm like, man, what's going on with this project here? But I keep on going forward. So I'm just cutting everything to size, getting everything ready. So I'm going to cut these to 3 inches, and then I'm going to cut them in half. So they're 1.5 inches. So I got 2 pieces of wood. So everything's going to be cut here and squared off. Okay, so I'm going to cut this in half now. So I got 2 nice pieces that are exactly 1.5 inches. And these are going to just be all the support frame beams and everything. So everything's cut now. I'm ready to go back to the miter saw just to finish sizing everything up. So I want exact measurements here. Okay, so first thing I'm going to start is putting together the side legs, basically. To assemble this frame, I always start with the sides. And so you got 2 legs and then 3 support beams that go in between. And this thing's about 32 inches by about 11 inches width or so. So you're going to see that. So I'm going to pre-drill everything, and I'm going to put some pilot holes in there. I'm going to use some wood glue, and I'm just going to let this, I'm going to clamp this in, and then I'm going to put some screws in on the side. Now I did do some like pilot hole countersink, so that means I'm going to hide them with dowels later. There's my awesome cat there. She loves watching me work. And then she's like, no, I'm getting bored. So she's like, I'm getting bored. I'm getting out. I want outside. Get me outside. Okay, back to work. So now I'm just measuring using the other one leg that I already did, the one side. I'm going to use that as a reference just to line everything up. Glue everything clamped together, and now I'm going to be doing the back runners, and again I'm just going to do some countersink screws and line everything up here and measure everything with my square there. This project actually is very simple, and anybody can do this, guys. Now there's about 3 inches from the bottom, so those feet are about 3 inches. And now, guys, time to put it in the dowels to hide all the screws. I love doing this, and this just makes things easier when I'm painting it, and you can just really hide those screws. Don't look too nice when they're showing. Okay, guys, now I'm going to cut the boards that go the tabletop boards. the shelf boards, and there's only 3 of them. Okay, so now I'm gonna sand everything with my with 120 grit sandpaper, just giving it a really nice fine finish so it's easier to stain, easier to paint. You know how it goes, right? So I'm just really taking my time and really gonna sand all the dowels down and everything, get everything nice and smooth. And this is how it looks, guys. So I'm gonna head over to my new Craig jig. I actually finally invested in one of these. I got this at the marketplace for $100, so I'm really happy I get to use this. What a game changer from using the other one. And I'm just gonna be doing pocket hole screws for the boards, for the shelves. I really love this thing. I'm really blessed that I was able to do this. I'm very thankful that God gave me this opportunity to have one of those. And now, guys, I'm gonna do some pre-stain here, and basically this Minimax pre-stain basically helps absorb the stain, so it's an even finish. And then I'm gonna get over here and paint this white. So I'm gonna put 2 coats of white paint. This is just your, medium tier paint. It's not like the top brand, but it's kind of medium, middle class, I guess you could say. But nothing, you don't need anything too fancy for this. It's not a stain blocking paint either, so the knots will seep through most likely. Okay, guys, so I'm just using my English chestnut stain here, and I'm gonna stain both sides, front and back. You won't be seeing the bottom anyways. And just time to insert the shelves now. Simply just they fit in nice and snug, and then I'm just gonna be screwing in the pocket hole screws. Pretty simple. Alrighty, so I'm gonna use my biscuit joiner to put the top part on with some Z-clips. And these Z-clips actually were not going into us, probably because of the screws I was actually using. So what I did is, after screwing in the Z-clips, there was too much movement for me. I ended up just putting a couple screws in the support beams, and I thought that worked out pretty good. Alright, now it's time for the top coat. Using my polyacrylic here, satin. I'm going to just put 2 coats, and I do sand in between coats. Okay, guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching the video. And this is something you guys can build for $20, just buying the wood for 20 bucks. And it's such a simple build. Guys, I hope you learned something here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, watch more videos, and guys, have a great day and God bless.